In this video, I'm going to showcase a new indicator combination for identifying breakouts in the market. And when I say indicator combination, it's actually just two indicators. So the strategy can actually be used even on a free TradingView account. Now, to add these indicators to your chart, you want to go to TradingView and then open the indicator search tab and type in the main indicator of this strategy, which is the Breakout Line indicator. Just type in Breakout Line, and it's gonna be this one by Marco Valente. Next, type in our second indicator, which is triple Ehlers-Market-State. You just want to type in triple Ehlers, and it's gonna be this one by Alpha Xiom. Now, looking at our chart, you can see that we have only one indicator, despite having added two. Well, that's because the breakout line indicator is somehow not visible. As you can see, it's super dark. So let's access its settings, and then on the Inputs tab, we want to change the breakout line to white. On the Inputs tab, you want to change the close time frame to 1 hour. Now, I'm using the 5-minute time frame of EuroGBP. That's why I'm changing this to the 1 hour time frame. But if you're using any other time frame, you have to change the close time frame accordingly. So for example, if you're using the 10-minute time frame, that is twice the 5-minute. So you also want to increase the close time frame twice. So that is going to be 1 hour times 2. That's 2 hours. If we go with 15, that is 3 times the 5-minute time frame. So you want to increase this from 1 hour to 3 hours, and so forth and so forth. After that, click OK. Now, the next indicator whose settings we obviously want to change is the triple MS indicator. Double click on it, and then on the Inputs tab, you want to change the slow period to 100, the medium period to 50, and the fast period to 13. We're not going to be changing the threshold values, so let's head straight into the Style tab. And then here, we want to change this indicator from looking like this to something similar to what you saw on the thumbnail of this video. To do that, we're going to disable the State Slow options, the State Fast option, disable retracement, and we're going to leave the bar color option checked, and then we're going to disable all these options. After that, we want to change the display style of the State Medium option to Area. After that, click OK. So this is our indicator combination. The breakout line indicator at the top is an indicator that tracks breakouts on higher time frames and then plots a white line that traverses our chart. The way it works is like this. If there is a bearish trend, the price is going to be maintained under the white line for quite some time. And then eventually a bullish breakout is going to happen when a price candle breaks and closes above the white line, like here. And then the opposite of this is this. The price was trading above the white line, and then a candle broke and closed under the line. This is a bearish breakout, and we're going to be using this indicator this way when taking our positions. Now, the triple MS indicator is going to be used for momentum identification. A green area like this indicates a bullish momentum, and whenever this happens, we're only going to be looking to take buy breakout entries. On the other hand, a pink area like this indicates bearish momentum in the market. And whenever this happens, we're only going to be taking sell breakout entries. Next, we're going to go over the entry conditions for taking positions using this indicator combination. But before we do that, what broker can you use to trade if you have a strategy that is profitable? Well, for me, I normally go with HenkoTrade. Now, I've been using HenkoTrade for quite some time. As you can see here, this is my live account on HenkoTrade's web trader platform. The reason why I think HenkoTrade is a great broker is because of their low commissions and spreads. On Forex, for example, the spreads can go as low as 0.0 pips, which is actually the lowest spreads can go. And for those of us who love high leverage, well, HenkoTrade offers a maximum leverage of 1 to 500. And if all of this isn't enough, they're also going to give you a 100% deposit bonus for all your first deposits of between $100 all the way to $25,000. So if you deposit, say, $3,000, they're going to give you a bonus of $3,000, giving you a total of $6,000 to trade with. To access the bonus as well as all the other perks, well, sign up to HenkoTrade using the link in the video description. Now, back to the video. So how do we take long positions using this indicator combination? Well, this is how. The first condition is we want the triple MS indicator, this indicator down here, to color your candles green. And we're not talking about the default green and red colors that come with your default TradingView settings. No, this indicator usually changes the bar colors to pink and green. So we need the candles to be colored green by this indicator. Condition number 2 is once we have the candles colored green, we need a candle to break and close above this white breakout line. And during the breakout, this line should not be angled up or down. Instead, it should be flat or horizontal, like this. Now, the third condition is once we have the breakout, you want to take a look back. You want to see at least 3 candles that opened and closed under the white breakout line. In this particular trade example, we actually had all these candles, 7 to be exact. The next condition is you want the previous step made by this white line to be a step up. What that means is you want this line to go from a lower level to a higher level, like it did right here. This is a step up, and you don't want it to be a step down like it is right here. Then our last condition is to confirm that on this breakout, the triple MS indicator was colored green to confirm the presence of sufficient bullish momentum in the market. Bullish momentum is what's going to push the price in the direction of our trade. All our entry conditions are met on this candle, so we're going to take a long position. The stop loss is going to go right under the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're going to target a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Letting the trade run, and as you can see, it was profitable. This was another long position. If we quickly go over the conditions, you can see that this is the breakout. The candles were actually colored green all the way to the breakout. We also had more than 3 candles that closed under the white line before the eventual breakout. Looking at the breakout line itself, it actually did a small step up right here and a big step up right here, which actually fulfills our fourth condition. Lastly, the triple MS indicator was actually colored green all the way to this breakout, which confirms the presence of sufficient bullish momentum in the market. If we were to take this trade and have the stop loss at the most recent swing low and the target at 1.5 times the risk, you can see that the trade would have been profitable. For a short position, it's going to be the opposite. So the first condition is we want the triple MS indicator, this indicator down here, to color the candles pink to indicate a bearish trend. Condition number 2 is once we have the candles colored pink, we need a candle to break and close below this white line. During the breakout, this line should not be angled up or down. Instead, it should be flat or horizontal. The third condition is once we have the breakout, you want to take a look back and you want to see at least 3 candles that opened and closed above the white breakout line. In this trade example, we actually had all these candles. The next condition is you want the previous step made by this white line to be a step down. What that means is you want this white line to go from a higher level to a lower level. This is a step down. Then our last condition is to confirm that on this breakout, the triple MS indicator was colored pink to confirm the presence of sufficient bearish momentum to push the price in the direction of our trade. All our entry conditions are met on this candle. So we're going to take a short position. The stop loss goes right above the most recent swing high. For the take profit, we're going to target a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Letting the trade run, and as you can see, it was profitable. In summary, as you can see, this strategy relies on the triple MS indicator and the breakout line indicator. The triple MS indicator identifies market momentum through pink or green candle colors, while the breakout line highlights key breakout levels on the chart for potential trading opportunities. If you have any questions about this specific strategy, let us know in the comment section below. That's been it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.